How to clear your live tile cache on Start in Windows. Having live tiles on your Windows Start menu can look decorative and useful, but leaving their cache unattended can cause system issues. Here are a few ways to clear your live tile cache on Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Reset the app from Windows settings. Your first option would be to reset the app. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, or Apps and Features on Windows 11. Click the three dots on the app, click Reset, and restart your PC. Toggle live tiles off, then on. If you're still seeing issues, try this option. Open the Start menu, right-click the tile, click Turn Live Tile Off, wait for a few moments, and turn it back on. Clear tile cache via File Explorer. Still experiencing a slowdown or crash? Looks like you need to delete the cache manually. Go to File Explorer and copy-paste %user-profile /appdata /local /microsoft /windows /explorer in the address bar. Delete files like tilecache_*dat. Use PowerShell. Want to take the techie and sophisticated way? Use PowerShell admin and run get process explorer pipe stop process -force to restart the Start menu. Use Group Policy Editor. For IT admins, use Group Policy Editor to disable or re-enable live tiles using gpedit.msc under Start menu and taskbar notifications. With these methods, your Windows PC's Start menu will be back to running smoothly. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to clear your live tile cache on Start in Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.